Back on this caliper again here, and we just finished up reading at a 1 inch mark. I've since moved it to a different, if you'll notice here I have written 1 inch 75 thousandths. Now previously discussed, remember each one of these marks represents 25 thousandths of an inch, or 0.025. If we were to come down here, you'll notice I've got 1 inch 25, 1 inch 50, 1 inch 75. And you'll notice that the 0 mark is lined up on the 75, or the third mark. You have to get that in your head that these are going in 25s. They're not going to number everyone because just of limits of space. But also remember that I told you anytime that this 0 lands on a mark on this scale, it's going to have 2 marks. And if you were to come down here, you'll notice that the 25 is also lined up on a line. That means that we are sitting on a version of 25 thousandths. In this case, we are at 1 inch 75 thousandths. That 1 inch 75 thousandths is on this. It's also 1 inch 75 thousandths on our inside jaws, and on the tail down there it's going to have 1 inch 75 thousandths sticking out. And that's going to conclude this portion of caliper reading.